Welcome to our Korean beef jerky factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium Korean-style beef jerky is made, from fresh beef to perfectly seasoned and dried snacks. The secret to the unique Korean flavor profile is in the marinade. We blend soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil, and sweet pear extract.
The ratio is holding steady at 1.2. Viscosity is stable.
Looks good. Confirming the cycle now. Everything is optimal.
Each batch is dried and smoked to achieve the perfect texture and taste. Automated cutting systems trim dried jerky into uniform snack-sized portions.
Every package is inspected before reaching customers worldwide.
Every day, this massive facility ensures that the taste of Korea reaches millions across the globe.
And that's how premium Korean beef jerky is made, Chaed, from fresh beef to flavorful snacks enjoyed around the world.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.